Namo Namaha Chhatraha. Suprabhatam. Student, in our last video, we have started lesson number 8, Pin Code Pravartakah, right? Now, we have completed first and second paragraph. Today, we will start third paragraph. Let's see, student. Our third paragraph, अनुशासनप्रियस्य वेलणकर महोदयस्य संगीतम अपि प्रियः विषयः. Now again, listen carefully. This lesson only for translation. So we not see grammar parts in this lesson. We will not see grammar part in this lesson. Let's start. अनुशासनप्रियस्य वेलणकर महोदयस्य संगीतमपि प्रियः विषयः. Now, अनुशासन, discipline. वेलणकर महोदय, संगीतम अपि, संगीत is a संगीत means music. प्रियः विषयः, प्रियः like, विषयः subject. Mr. Velankar, who liked discipline, was also fond of music. सः वॉयलिन वादने तथा तबला वादने अपि अतीव निपुणः. सः वॉयलिन वादने, वॉयलिन, everyone know वॉयलिन, तथा and तबला, everyone know तबला, वादने playing, अतीव निपुणः, निपुणः expert. He was expert in playing the violin and tabla. Again, I repeat, he was expert in playing the violin and tabla. अतः एव सः गीतगीर्वाणम् इति संगीतविषयकं शास्त्रीयग्रन्थं संस्कृतेन रचितवान्. hence he गीतगीर्वाणं. Now गीतगीर्वाणं, the proper noun as it is right now, it is संगीतविषयकं. संगीतविषयकं related to music. शास्त्रीयग्रन्थं. Now शास्त्रीयग्रन्थं, book. संस्कृतेन, in Sanskrit, rachitvan means composed. Hence, he even composed a book in Sanskrit, Gita Girvanam, which is related to music. Kathaha, Gitani, Balagitani, Nrutyanatyam iti बहुविधाः रचनाः तेन कृताः. तथापि नाट्यलेखनं तस्य अभिमतः साहित्यप्रकारः. Now listen. कथाः, story. गीतानि, songs. बालगीतानि, kids songs for kids. नृत्यनाट्यम, नृत्य means dance, नाट्यम drama, play. इति बहुविधाः, many. रचनाः, composition. तेन कृताः, by him, कृताः, did. तथापि नाट्यलेखनं, नाट्य drama, play, लेखनं writing, तस्य अभिमतः साहित्यप्रकारः. अभिमतः favorite. साहित्यप्रकारः means literature. साहित्य means literature. Now listen. He had composed many songs Next, songs for kids, Nrityanatyam, dance plays, and many composition. Yet playwriting, Natyalekhanam, playwriting was his favorite literature. Favorite literature. Next, लेखनम, दिग्दर्शनम, नाट्य निर्मितिः, व्यवस्थापनम, संगीत संयोजनम इति सर्वम् एव कर्तुं सः समर्थः। अतः सब कुछ श्रीभिः इति तस्य नाटकानां ख्यातिः आसीत्। Now लेखनम, writing, दिग्दर्शनम, दिग्दर्शनम, direction, नाट्य निर्मितिः, production, व्यवस्थापनम, management, संगीत संयोजनम, संगीत म्यूजिक कंपोजिशन इति सर्वम् एव कर्तुं, now कर्तुं, to do, सः समर्थः, समर्थः able, अतः hence सब कुछ श्रीभिः, again that is proper noun, सब कुछ श्रीभिः इति नाटकानां, this play, नाटकानां ख्यातिः आसीत्. ख्यातिः, the famous drama name is सब कुछ श्रीभिः. Now listen, he was able to writing, direction, production of the drama, management and music composition, and hence he plays were famous as सब कुछ श्रीभिः. धन्यसः विद्वद्वरेण्यः येन वयं पिन कोड प्रणाल्या उपकृताः. Now धन्यः, great, धन्यः, सः, he, विद्वत् अरेण्यः means scholar, विद्वत्, येन वयं, who has, पिन कोड प्रणाल्याः, पिन कोड system, उपकृताः, उपकृताः means indebted, उपकृताः blessed, okay, blessed, indebted. Now he was a great scholar who has blessed us with pin code system. Now listen students, here our lesson number 8, pin code प्रवर्तकः, महान संस्कृतज्ञः, lesson have completed. Again listen this lesson only for translation. And student, I will send you this lesson translation in our group. Thank you.